What's up everybody? Today I'll be doing a super easy yet flavorful brownie recipe. It takes about an hour to make, so let's get started. First up, I'll be starting with the tools that you'll be needing. I have a large bowl, a rubber spatula, a whisk, a quarter sheet pan lined with parchment and pan spray. And those are pretty much all the tools that you'll be needing. For the ingredients, I have vanilla extract, I have unsalted butter, room temperature eggs, granulated white sugar, packed brown sugar, chocolate chunks, cocoa powder, flour, instant coffee, baking powder, and salt. And those are all your ingredients. So now let's get started. So first up, I'll get started by melting my butter. So I'll place this in the microwave for about a minute to a minute and a half so it melts completely. So now my butter is melted. To my butter, I'll add my white sugar, my packed brown sugar, and I'll whisk this around. So now I'll bring you in closer so you see the mixing process. And now that's basically it. It takes about a minute of mixing for your butter and sugar to come together nicely. And it's nice and gooey. To that, I'll add one egg at a time. Next up, I'll add my vanilla. And now I'll add my dry ingredients together. I'll just shake that around. And what I'll do now is I'll add my cocoa powder into this. And you'll add a little at a time just to incorporate it. Next up, I'll add my flour. And before my flour is mixed in completely, I'll add in my chocolate chunks. What I'll do now is I'll switch over to my spatula. And I'll just fold everything in. Now I'll transfer this mixture into my baking pan. And I'll spread this out. And what you want to do next is to tap this so you get all the air bubbles out and also to level off your batter. So now this is ready to go into the oven. My oven is set at 325 and I let it bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. So here are your brownies straight out of the oven. You'll let these come to room temperature before you cut into it. So after your brownie cools, what you can do is take some powdered sugar and just sprinkle it right over the top. So now I'll try this brownie. Outstanding. And again, if you liked my video, give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments below, and please subscribe. Thank you.